Dealing with the Polly library DLL runtime error is the last thing you need today. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I've diagnosed the fix for this specific conflict. While we cover the technical fix for Polly library, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the Polly library, the Polly Resilience Library. It provides an unmanaged-friendly framework for transient fault handling in .NET applications. It manages the orchestration of retry, circuit breaker, and timeout policies for network data link manifests. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Reinstalling Polly is the safest fix. Download both x86 and x64 editions of the Visual C++ redistributables from Microsoft and install them. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Polly library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Polly library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to Polly library. If this fix repaired Polly library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.